Ready to supercharge your savings without even noticing? What if I told you there's a way to save and invest with the spare change from your everyday purchases? That's the magic of Acorns and its incredible round UPS feature. Think about it. You buy your morning coffee for $3.25. Acorns automatically rounds up that purchase to the nearest dollar, which is $4, and invests the difference of 75 cents. You buy groceries for $52.75? Acorns invests 25 cents. It might seem small, but these little bits of change add up faster than you'd think. This isn't just saving, it's micro-investing, making your money work for you in the background of your life. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it strategy, and it's a brilliant way to build a foundation for your financial future. So, how do you use this feature effectively? First, link all your spending accounts. This is key. The more cards and accounts you connect, the more round UPS Acorns can collect and invest for you. Don't worry, your information is secure. The goal here is to cast a wide net and capture every bit of spare change from your daily transactions. Second, be intentional. While the automatic nature of Acorns is fantastic, you can also use the app to check your round UPS and see how much you're accumulating. Being aware of your progress can be motivating. You'll start to see a small but steady stream of savings and investments growing, and that can encourage you to keep going. Third, consider a roundup multiplier. This is a game changer. If you want to accelerate your investing, Acorns allows you to multiply your round UPS by 2, 3, or even 10 times. That 75-cent roundup on your coffee? It becomes $1.50, $2.25, or even $7.50. This is the fastest way to turn spare change into a serious investment habit. Just remember to start with what you're comfortable with and adjust as you go. Finally, and this is perhaps the most important tip, be patient. Investing is a long-term game. The real power of Acorns Round UPS comes from consistency and compound growth over time. Don't expect to see huge returns overnight. Instead, watch as your small, consistent contributions build into something meaningful over months and years. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.